So guys, you can see here I am using Ubuntu in my phone. See, the OS is Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish, and today I will show you how to install it in your Android phone using termux. Okay, so let's further move on our next steps. First we need to clear our screen as usual, then you need to update. Okay, write a command apt update to update your repositories and all. Okay, if you don't know how to install termux, then just see my previous videos. Okay, I will link in description. Okay, I've used this particular one command. Okay, I made it, and which you can paste it directly and it will do your all your processes. Okay, as it's asking for allow. Okay, I have given the permission. It can take huge time, so I have skipped few parts of the video. The important part I have mentioned in the video. Okay, so now as you will see, the update is finished. I will paste that script in description. You just need to copy and use it in your termux. Okay, and it will automatically just finish all the update and all, it will go on. So here you are asking to choose a custom layout of a country. Okay, so basically it's asking for origin for keyboard. Okay, so write here English and UK. Okay, bracket in bracket write UK. Okay, then hit enter. Then again write English and in bracket write UK. Okay, then again hit enter. Like this I am showing the whole instructions in it. Okay, you just need to paste that particular script, and after that all the download, unpackaging and all, the connection and all, you will show this type of things, and you will just need to figure out and just need to put in. Okay, so it's unpacking and all. After that it's asking for a country. Basically here I am typing Indian. Okay, Indian, and select geographical area. Okay, so basically geographical area is here, and here I need to select Maldives. Basically the time zone is same for Indian, and Maldives are the same time zone. Yeah, it will be suitable as usual. Yeah, all done here, and it's connecting the ports for Ubuntu. Okay, it's connecting, and yeah, 99% is done. Follow the steps I have shown. It's asking for setting up a VNC password. Set up your password accordingly. I am setting some 6-character passwords. Accordingly you set your password. It must be of 6 characters. Okay, yeah, here it's asking for my resolution. Okay, so I am choosing here HD ready resolution, the fourth one. Okay, just go there and hit OK or enter. Okay, just hit OK. Again I will recheck once. Okay, so I will write here VNC server start. Okay, so to start my server, it's already started, but I am showing you how to start. If you will start it again, okay, then type here just start, and you will be starting it. And just go in the fourth point, VNC server with HD ready resolution, and you will be all done. Now you need to move to your VNC app. Okay, RVNC, real VNC. Basically I will show you how to download it, and here you need to write the local host colon 1. Okay, it's the default one. Okay, and you can set your name as Ubuntu, your OS name, then hit in connection. Okay, connect, and then it will be connecting an unencrypted connection error because the password is not set and asking for the password. I am giving my password here. Okay, localhost 5901. Basically this is the default port 5901 used in this, and here our Ubuntu is just started. So awesome manner I have started the Ubuntu. It's a XFCE environment. Okay, so here I am showing you how it is Ubuntu or not. As first, the very first thing we need to do is to update the repos and all. It's Ubuntu. So basically I will hit apt update for updating it. Okay, so yeah, so it's updated basically, and now it's all done. It's updated. So I will now install neofetch to show you that it's Ubuntu or not. Okay, so I will install it here. Just follow the steps I have shown you and you will be able to download it. If you face any type of problem then just comment. आपको बस वो कोड लेना है और उसको पेस्ट कर देना है, ठीक है। बस फिर हिट एंटर हिट करके आपको फिर जैसे जैसे पूछेगा रिक्वायरमेंट्स आपको फिल करते जाना है, कंट्री जियोग्राफिकल एरिया जो भी जो मैं दिखा चुका हूँ, फिर वो हो जाएगा अराउंड 15 to 20 मिनट्स में आपका डाउनलोड कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और Ubuntu आपका रेडी हो जाएगा। जस्ट आपको VNC सर्वर एक रहना चाहिए, उस पर आप रन कर पाइएगा, ठीक है। If you are facing any type of problem in my old videos then you can comment. Okay, so here it is done. Hopefully you all understand what I am trying to show. So here it is downloading neofetch. So it's working in a great manner. Okay, so yeah, it's quite good. And I will show you just few minutes. Okay, it's done. Yeah, it's done. So now I will type neofetch. Okay, so I will clear this. Okay, I will type neofetch and here neofetch. Okay, so here you can see that it's Ubuntu Jammy Jellyfish. Okay, so basically Ubuntu is running here. It's showing. So how to download the real VNC? Okay, now I will show you. So you can search in Play Store real VNC and just download it. So this much only, guys.